Today, Joe and I are going to teach you how to measure to see what size toilet you need. There are three sizes of toilets. There's a 10, a 12, and a 14-inch rough toilet. So you need to know what size you're going to put in before you go purchase the toilet. So the way to do that is to measure from the wall to the center of the cap or the bolt that bolts your toilet to the floor. The cap I'm referring to is the cap with the piece of blue tape on it, the piece of blue painter's tape. There's a little black line there. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your tape measure on the wall and you're going to measure to the center of that cap and you're going to get that measurement. This one is 12.5. So that is the measurement that you are trying to get. As I mentioned earlier, there are three size toilets, 10, 12, and 14-inch rough. So if your measurement was between 10 and 11, you need a 10-inch rough toilet. If it was between 11 and 13, you need a 12-inch rough toilet, which is standard. That's most of the time what they're going to be. Or if it is 13 or more, you need a 14-inch rough toilet. Don't worry, I'm going to leave all this information in the description below. We hope you found this video very helpful, and if you did, please give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.